fine. Can you tell me when it is that you're installing?
Yeah, this is a long-range outside access point. It's ideal for people that operate terraces that need credit card payments. According to the box, it's good for 600 feet, which is quite a long way for a Wi-Fi point.
So does this unit work in conjunction with anything else, or do you just need this unit on its own?
No, it can do either. It can be a standalone unit or it can be part of an outside mesh system. It works really, really well in areas that you can't easily get cable.